This dance starts with weight on your left, and you're going to do 4 shuffles, sort of making a box in the floor, like a shuffle box. So the first shuffle is going to go to the right, right, left, right. You're going to do a quarter turn into the next shuffle, left, right, left. Another quarter turn, right, left, right. And then a final quarter turn, left, right, left. Then you're going to cross, step, and then you're going to do a weave. You're going to rock, recover to the right, do a weave, and then you're going to step out with your right foot into that first hip sway, left, right, left hip sways, quarter turn, sailor step, and then you're going to step forward on your left, pivot a quarter turn, put your weight on your right foot, so that then you can cross over for a cross point, right cross, point, and then a jazz box. End of dance, start over with the shuffle box.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There's one restart in this dance, starts on the 4th wall, and it's after the first 16 counts. So we're going to walk you through that right now. So we're going to start over the shuffle box. Shuffle, 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 shuffle right into that cross, step, weave, rock, recover, weave. And right here is where the restart happens. You restart the dance.